It's Janica from Prosperna. Prosperna is a complete e-commerce platform for Philippine SMEs made easy with everything you need to market and sell online. Welcome back to Online Store Hacks, Holiday Edition. For this episode, we'll share with you how to promote your business during the holidays with low-cost marketing. You want to expand your customer reach, but you feel like you're at a disadvantage against well-established brands that can promote to the masses as much as they want to. On the other hand, you feel a lack of resources and market relevance. Fortunately, there are easy ways to market and advertise just in time for the holiday rush without spending a fortune. Check out these hacks we got for you. 1. Share what you already know through content. You already know what you're selling, why you're selling, and to whom you'll be selling. That's what it means to start a business. And it's more than enough knowledge to create valuable content that your audience can resonate with. Content is, and always will be, the king of digital marketing. There's a lot of formats to choose from: written, spoken, images, or video. But to be more specific, you should try creating blogs, posting tutorials, and case studies about the benefits of your products. During the holiday season, you need to adjust your content so that it's relevant to current events and connect with the audience better. 2. Leverage Google and large-scale social media platforms. As the social media capital of the world, it's guaranteed that 90 million Filipino consumers spend their days glued to their gadgets browsing for the next big thing. You don't have to cover every platform, but you should know where your target customers are most active and set up a profile there. For example, you should set up a Facebook business page and Instagram profile if you're starting as a social seller, or if you're a small business without any online presence yet. Well, depending on your branding and target audience, you can also consider other platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn, or even TikTok, just to see what works best for your businesses. Lastly, you should register on Google My Business. This is something a lot of businesses usually overlook. But if you want to gain customer trust, this is how you should do it. The holidays will be a busy period for online shoppers, and they don't have time to take risks buying from businesses without branding and limited online presence. 3. Expand your network and connections. Be proactive in approaching other brands and influential people you can include in your professional network and help get the word out to their respective audiences through shoutouts. You need to join communities in your local area and within your industry, because that's where you can make real connections with thought leaders who can help you grow along the way. According to HubSpot, there are millions of sponsored content on the internet, but shoutouts that are given by influencers for free are more effective because they feel more organic and natural from the audience's perspective. You can take advantage of virtual networking events and forums to connect with other professionals, especially during the holiday season, to socialize with them and widen your circle. 4. Let the people do it for you. Speaking of shoutouts, word-of-mouth referrals from members of the community is the most effective form of advertising. It's so successful because people trust customer testimonials or people they know more than the actual brands or companies. When you share reviews on your website or social media profiles, you are showing proof that your customers were served well. In turn, you can convince them to give your products a try for themselves to experience the same satisfaction as your other customers. You can introduce an incentive in the form of holiday contests, giveaways, or small freebies in exchange for positive reviews about your business. This is a bonus for you because all these entries will serve as added and user-generated content. You increase your chances of having people visit your online store to shop for their last-minute holiday gift. 5. Make use of SMS and email. Since the most popular gadget today is a smartphone, you can utilize features like text messages and email to reach your customers directly. When customer purchases from you, they usually provide your contact information such as phone numbers and email addresses. Apart from fulfilling their orders, this can be an opportunity to stay engaged with them or reconnect with old customers. You don't have to spend a lot of money just to be able to do this, even with the help of CRM application. To do this, you can start by sending them holiday greetings and give away discount vouchers on their next order so they will want to buy from you again. 6. Your online store is key. If you don't already have one, an e-commerce website is what's going to glue all the marketing strategies we shared. Right off the bat, you can save a lot of costs through having your blog to post marketable content and share on social media, an official page to share on your profiles containing detailed information about you, your platform that referrals can direct your audience to, one place to accept online orders, collect customer contact information for campaigns. With all that said, your website must be fully optimized and responsive across devices to improve user experience and marketing performance. During the holidays, social media and online marketplaces will be busy and even cause your platforms to crash. Having your online store allows you to manage that traffic, minus the competition, and you'll be able to offer customers the complete holiday brand experience. That's it for this episode of Online Store Hacks Holiday Edition. Here's the summary. Share what you already know through content, leverage Google and large-scale social media platforms, expand your network and connections. Let the people do it for you, make use of SMS and email. Your online store is key. Make your online store successful this holiday season with Prosperna. We're the best partner for Philippine SMEs in providing the latest e-commerce tools to grow your business. Book a free demo with us at www.prosperna.com to learn more. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and leave a comment down below on what other hacks you want to know. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell for notifications. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. See you in the next episode. Happy holidays! #ProsperNation.